What's up, you guys? It's Amber and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. And if you are new here, you should definitely subscribe. Oh my god, it has been so long since I filmed a video. I've missed you guys so much. Currently, I have fully embraced a theme for today. If you could not tell, I have pink on. I have cloud earrings on, I have pink lights on. This is a pink video and this is a cloud video. Today we are gonna be unboxing Ariana Grande's brand new fragrance called Cloud Pink. I have it here from Ulta and I am so excited to unbox it with you guys. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you already know how big of a deal this is. Her original Cloud Perfume was one of my first videos that did really well and that got a lot of people to stick around on my channel. I don't know, so I'm just so happy today to be unboxing this for you guys. Cloud Perfume is actually my favorite perfume of all time. Let me just show you guys. Look at my Cloud graveyard right now. I have an empty body spray, an empty Cloud lotion, which if you've never tried the Cloud lotion and you can find it, do yourself a favor and try it. It's amazing. And then I have an empty little cloud with one droplet left. And I saved the one droplet for this video so we could compare the perfumes. I don't want to make this intro too long, but I did just want to say how much I've missed you guys, and I'm definitely going to be back to posting vlogs very soon. Thank you guys so much for being so patient. I promise more videos are coming. For today, at least, I wanted to upload this video because we all know how special this perfume is. Without further ado, let's get into it. So I went to Ulta the other day and picked up this baby right here, Cloud Pink by Ariana Grande, her brand new fragrance, which is a new rendition of her original Cloud perfume. She did come out with another version of Cloud as well called Cloud 2.0. I have a video up unboxing that one. You should go check it out if you want. I was actually vlogging the day that I went shopping for this, so I promise that vlog is going to be coming very soon. And I did sniff this in the store. I sniffed the tester, but I couldn't really get a good enough smell, and plus I was so excited and just full of emotion that I feel like today will be a chance for us to get a really good sniff together. Without further ado, let me open this up for you guys. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite part of these videos, unboxing the perfume. The packaging is so gorgeous. Nothing beats the original Cloud. Let me just say that. The original Cloud packaging, smell, experience, it was just so different for her because she kind of had kept the same style of perfume up until Cloud. So Cloud was just such a big deal, and just the fact that she made it in pink is just fueling my heart. It is glindified. The packaging is super cute. I love that she's blonde. She was blonde for the original Cloud, so it's just kind of I don't know, it's just really sweet. I love it. This side, I will say, is my favorite. I love the photo and the photo shoot, but something about this side just looks so clean and pretty, and the pink is just very vibrant and I love it. And then of course we have the little clouds on the side. So cute. Let's open her up. You guys already know this is my favorite part, and the perfume bottle is so pretty. The original Cloud may not be able to be beat in smell, but in packaging, oh my gosh. It's my baby, but in pink. I am so excited about this. It looks like you put the Thank You Next bottle in the Cloud base, which I have done before, and I always thought oh my god, it would be so cute if she came out with a pink perfume like this. Very simple bottle with a Cloud lid on top, and it just says Ariana Grande on the middle. Super simple, super cute. I love it. And then it has the same exact Cloud base as the original Cloud perfume. And I guess without further ado, let's smell this baby. So it does smell, in my opinion, almost identical to the original Cloud, just from the first sniff. If anything, I feel like the Cloud Pink is a little bit sweeter. All right, I'm gonna spray it on my wrist first. It's so good. Oh my god. Let me spray a little bit more so I can let it sit and kind of live with it for a second. Let me get to know her. It is just like the original Cloud. It's a little bit sweeter, but it's still so warm. You definitely can smell the vanilla. I feel like people who like Rem will like this because it honestly kind of smells like a little hint of that cologne smell that I always got from Rem, but it still has that vanilla, warm, marshmallowy scent to it. It's a very perfect balance in my opinion, because Rem was too much for me. I wanted to like Rem. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on my neck so I can smell it throughout the video. My hope for this perfume is that it's long lasting. I will update you guys in future videos how this lasts on me, but the thing I loved about the OG Cloud when it came out was that it was so strong and it lasted all day. I would have people complimenting me when I went into work as a freaking waitress, sweating. People would be like, what are you wearing? You smell so good. I smell it pretty strong in my room right now just from the sprays that we've done so far, and it's sitting very nicely. It doesn't smell like alcohol or anything like that. It really smells good. Let me get my iPad here and I'm gonna pull up the notes for the perfume. You already know the routine. Cloud Pink here is in the warm and spicy fragrance family. And for the keynotes, we have at the top, pink pineapple dragon fruit berries. That's so different. I don't honestly smell that right off the top of you know, my nose, but the middle notes are vanilla orchid, coconut water, blush, ambrette. And then the base is magenta moss, amber woods, musk, praline. Interesting. That's a beautiful combination. And then the OG cloud here is also in the warm and spicy fragrance family. It's a gourmand scent type. They don't say what scent type the pink cloud is. And then the keynotes for original cloud are lavender blossom, juicy pear, and bergamot. So both of the top notes are pretty fruity. Middle of cloud is creme de coconut, indulgent praline, and vanilla orchid, which is why cloud has like a much more strong marshmallowy, vanilla, yummy, warm sugar scent. And then the base is sensual musks and creamy blonde woods. So honestly, the middle and the base of these perfumes are so similar, which is why right off the bat, I smell cloud. I smell the original cloud when I smell cloud pink. There's so many similarities here. Honestly, I feel like she made this for the cloud girlies who love cloud and ride or die for cloud. I feel like she just glindified it. An elevated cloud, cloud's treacherous twin, if we shall. It smells so good. Honestly, I'm so happy with it. If you love cloud, you're gonna love this one because it's so similar. I mean, you would have to really have a nose for perfume to notice the differences. There are no real distinct differences between the two in my opinion. I feel like they're so similar that if you like the OG cloud, you're gonna love the cloud pink. It's just a matter of if you like the pink bottle or not, I guess. This baby right here is the 3.4 fluid ounce cloud pink perfume. This retails for $68 at Ulta Beauty. I did see that they already have this overseas at Douglas stores, so it's kind of cool that she's already like made her way out of the US with this one. I know that a lot of times it takes a while for all of my international friends out there to get this, so go check if it's in a store near you. It might be already, which is really cool. That's pretty much all I have to say about it. I mean, it smells so good. It smells just like the OG cloud. I feel like I'm sitting here in 2018 in my bedroom just like recording cloud after work. I'll never forget that video. Shout out to everybody who's been here since the OG cloud unboxing. It just feels so special to be here like unboxing my favorite color of my favorite perfume. It's the little things, you know. Before I go, this is this week's shout out of the week. Shout out to you, boo. Thank you so much for watching and for being so supportive. I love you. That is it for this unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this or if you already have tried it. If you're like me and you love cloud, you're probably going to love this. Again, to my boos, I'm so sorry I have not been uploading or like as active on here. I promise we're getting there. I'm coming back. Lots of really exciting things are coming. My room is already decorated for fall. You can't tell right now based on where I'm sitting, but fall videos are coming in full effect very soon. And of course, make sure you guys are subscribed and following my podcast, Ams Unfiltered. You can stream my podcast anywhere that you stream podcasts. And I also started uploading the video version here on my YouTube channel, so make sure you check it out. But yeah, that is it for yet another Ariana Grande perfume unboxing, Cloud Pink edition. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.